If you are wondering how long does the battery last on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then let me quickly answer that question for you. So based on the tests performed by various different websites, we can find out that the average usage time of the battery on a single charge on OPPO Find X9 Pro is approximately 22 hours. Of course, this average time depends on what you do with the phone, and naturally, so for example, if you spend most of the time just calling, then of course the battery will last longer than that. But if you just play games, for example, for the most of the time, then the average time will be shorter. So I just what I mean by 22 hours is of course the mix of everything, just a little bit, of course. So just to be specific, for example, if you just use your phone for calls, then the battery should last like 28.5 hours, more or less. For browsing the website, it should last like 22 hours, maybe even more. For watching videos, should be 28.5 hours as well. So quite impressive. And for gaming, it should be like 13.5, maybe just 13 hours. Of course, this also depends on games itself. So besides that, using certain features like, for example, higher resolution and always on display, this can also, of course, increase the battery consumption, or the high performance mode, of course. So you have to keep in mind that whatever you use on this phone, which features are enabled and what things are disabled, have an impact. All of this have an impact on how long the battery lasts, but generally speaking, the average time should be more or less 22 hours. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.